Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Ardha matsyendrasana. This asana is really good for diabetes. It improves digestion and also stretches your spine. To practice from Dandasana, bend at your left leg, placing your left foot near your right buttock. Bend at your right knee, placing your right foot next to your left knee. Catch hold of your right ankle with the left hand and your right hand goes back and look back from right. Now come back. We'll practice the same on the other side. Bend at your right foot, placing it next to your left buttock. Right ankle stays next to your left knee. Catch hold of your left ankle with the right hand and left hand is behind your back. Now come back to center from Dandasana and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.